this video we are going to see something which is very very important for all of us in our life. That what is honesty and how can we use this honesty to become best version of ourselves. So what is honesty? Honesty is something that this is your path and you are following that particular path. You know that these are the 3 or 5 things which I have to do every single day, and you're doing those 3 or 4 5 things. So that's called honesty, right? Sometimes what happen, people used to think if you reading spiritual book, if you doing all the spiritual kind of activity, then only you are honest. But I think if you talk about this thing with me, I don't think so. It's honesty. Honesty is something when you know these are the work which you need to do and you are doing exactly the same thing. And if you're committing someone that I'm going to be with you for a whole life, and using that particular thing, and you're not just telling all the people, you are just doing the same thing. If you take an interview, if you give an interview to anybody and you are telling that money is not important to me, so you should live like that. If you're not living like that, if you are very greedy and you are telling all the people that money never excites me, so you are not honest with yourself. So what is honesty? Honesty is something when you know your path and you're following that particular path, when you know the rules of the game and you're following all those rules with honesty, you know that you can make uh, or break that particular rule, but you are not breaking the rule because you want to be honest with yourself. That's called honesty. And why honesty is important? Because right now every out of 10 people, only 7 to 8 people, they are not, only 2 or 3 people are honest, right? So if you are honest, so it's a very bigger advantage for you, that whatever you wanted to do, you will be able to do that. Because if you are, if a gangster, and if a terrorist want to hire someone to maintain his account, he's going to see the honest person only, still, even though if he's a terrorist also. So you need to understand the honesty can't be replaced. Hard work can replace, you can replace the personality, you can replace the mind also. But sometimes honesty, all the time honesty can't be replaced. So if you are honest, this is a very biggest quality of yours. And what do you mean by honesty? Right now you guys know that I'm working in a sales job. So sales is not honesty for me. If my company told me that I have to I have to have the 3 meetings every single day, so I should do that 3 meeting. That's called honesty. That's called commitment. If I'm not able to do that 3 meeting, I should feel regret in the night or in the evening. Because if I'm not able to feel regret with that particular thing, I will be used to with that particular situation. So that's called honesty. Honesty, it's not you commit somebody to give a 2 lakh rupees of sale and you exactly doing the same. No, because self is depend upon lot of factors. Sometimes you work hard, sometimes you show persistence, sometimes you are very committed, but still also you are not able to make the sale because the person who don't have any money to do the payment, or maybe he uses credit card maximum in that particular period of time. So honesty is that you commit to someone and you are fulfilling that commitment. That's called honesty. And rest all the things is just show off. So that's what exactly you can use this particular advantage of yours to become the best version of yourself. Just let me know in the comment whether what's your thoughts on this particular video. Just give me a thumbs up and just share me the topics which you want to hear in the future. Thank you.